How's it going, everyone? This is Sean here from the Scale Model Car Guy channel, and I'm back with a look at my workbench, my workspace. This is the answer to Brian from Got Fuels Model Car Garage. You know, there's a challenge going around in the community to look at everybody's bench, tools, stash, everything going on. Well, some of you guys have nice layouts and organized spaces, and well, this video is to show you don't have to have all that, because I work from a very tight small spot. Like I said, you know, years ago I was into the model club, model stuff, the model scene, and you know, life happened, things happened. I had to sell off probably over I'd say 80% of my collection, and things happened and everything, and just probably about a couple years ago I got back into building models again, and this is all I've got left. I've been buying up some, trying to buy stuff back, and this is the only little space I got. As you can see, it is just a desk right here. I don't know, I got so much clutter in here. You can see where the desk starts up here, where the cars are at right here, resin parts right here. This is where the desk starts. That's the shelves. You come down, there's all my supplies. That's what it boils down to right here, guys. You can see I got my Dremel, my knives, my scribers, my sanders. I got my brushes. I just got pens, markers, Molotovs. I got more, you know, mixing sticks, sanding things, glues, just a few paints, odd and end stuff. Up here I got a soldering gun. I got a lot of carpet, fuzzy carpet stuff in there. I don't know if you can see it. I just got soldering wire and just all kind of odd and end things. I got my mold release for when I do some resin casting. I got a drawer full of junk right now. Just really needs to be cleaned out, but it's sanding paper. I got all kinds of evergreen and rod and all kinds of crap everywhere, guys. I got decal solutions, thinners. I got sanding sponge. I got wires, ignition wires. Guys, I got everything. I got clamps. It's all in one condensed little spot. Just a little bit of everything. Tapes, Dremel tool, crap. Underneath here, I always keep me a little basket to throw stuff into. I'm gonna have to get down on my knees, guys. Legos. I keep the Legos for when I do my mold. Here's some rubber molds I've made. I got molds here, molds there. I got some models shoved under here. Looks like some 16 scale stuff, some metal stuff. Looks like some AMT 10 model special edition, whatever, metal 10 Munsters coach, stuff like that. Drag cart, just all kinds of stuff. I got paints in here. I got gloves. I got little sticks, spoons. I got 2 Vega bodies and a Formula One Lotus in the stripper. I got them in brake fluid because I run out of my Royal Purple, or what do you call it, Purple Pond crap. It got old and I run out of it, so I just run out to the garage and got some brake fluid. I got model parts in here. I don't know if you can see down in there, there's Volkswagen models. I got shelves full of Porsche enthusiast models. Just models behind models behind models. I got so many models in such a small space. I got models throughout the house hidden. There's more models behind those models. Models behind models behind models stacked up in there. Models behind these models. I don't know if I'm going. Some resin casts that I've done. Some resin cast MGB GT bodies that I've made. Looks like some Japanese kits up here. Some of my Frenchy kits right here. Renault Citrons. Crap like that. Got some vintage kits up here. My Get Smart car. Volkswagens. I got cases of built cars everywhere. Stuff I don't know if y'all have even seen. I got cases of built cars here. All back here. Going down here. I even got them back behind here. Going all the way up. Got that one from Seamus. Y'all remember that's a gift. The lights light up on it. I got aftermarket stuff. I got crap everywhere, guys. I've got aftermarket decals, resin. Guys, I got everything you can think of shoved all into one space. I got a bunch of 12 scale stuff up here. As you can see. Let's see. I got a bunch of 16 scale stuff up here. Big old 8 scale Jaguar. That's a builder I need to redo. Those are 32 scale trucks. This one's built. Kept the box. Paint strode everywhere. Vintage kits. All this is vintage kits. Vintage kits behind vintage kits. More vintage kits behind vintage kits. You can see back in there, I got all vintage kits, old 60s, 70s. Those ain't so vintage right there, but I got them shoved in there. Models behind models behind models. I've got models stacked up over here. And then I got this closet full of models. Models behind those models. I got so much stuff here, guys. If you look behind there, I got nothing but AMT, MPC, that whole wall all the way back through. I can't even get that door open. From the floor to the ceiling, stacked in models. Anywhere from some vintage in there to Japanese to German, it don't matter. trucks, big scale, small. You can't even see back in there. I got so much stuff. You'll never be able to see without pulling everything out, guys. I'm trying to go slow enough, but I got stuff piled up on this. This is my wife's actual sewing desk, and I shouldn't even have this stuff on here, and she's probably about ready to kick my butt. But that's all the room I got, guys. That's it. That's where I work from. That's my tools. Everything's scattered. I could take you out here to the garage back when I used to have a setup out here, but now it's just full of cars, junk, and everything else. Back before I had to sell everything off. Matter of fact, I might just take you for a tour out there how I had stuff set up, but it's not now. Alright guys, this is my backyard right here, full of stuff. This is where I got my garage. I used to have my shop out here, and one day I plan on getting it back out here. As of right now, I got this MG in here. You can see I got all this Christmas crap down and everything. I've got to get more storage space, guys. This is my big model. I've got this thing totally stripped down. It's my 72 MG midget. But this used to be my model space. I have air conditioner there that's went out since. Before all this stuff wasn't in here, I had those shelves right there were full of nothing but kits. That wall right there was full of nothing but kits, the whole wall. Before I had to sell everything off, I used to have buddies come over. They would buy stuff off of me, trade stuff. But I had a whole bunch of kits in here. Not to mention what I still had in the house. I think at one time I probably had anywhere from 1,500 to 2,000 kits. And one day, here's an old desk right here even that I used to work off of. Because I kept it, because here in Arkansas it's so humid and stuff, I had to keep the air conditioner in here. But once I sold off all those models, everything that I had in the house just stayed in the house. And so that's it. One day I will eventually clean this out, build another storage shed, and put my models back in here and have it lined models to models from everywhere. Now I got a boat back here. I got a MGB GT sitting over there. I got my side-by-side sitting here. I got another MG under that tarp. I plan on expanding off the other side of this shop. Let's go around here. I plan on bringing this side of the shop out, putting another room off here, and I plan on putting another lean-to off this right here. If I get me another lean-to off here to take the other car and put out here, bring this shop out right here, then I can turn that back into and get a new heater and air unit for it and turn that back into my model room. Alright guys, if you like what I'm doing, please like, share, and subscribe. There's the smoker. I'm fixing to have to smoke a ham for Thanksgiving for tomorrow, so peace out guys. Yeah, and with that being said, I'd also like to mention I have cabinets all throughout the house full of built models and stuff like that. But it being Thanksgiving and everything, my wife ain't gonna let me walk through the house. She's baking and doing everything and getting everything ready for Thanksgiving. I'm not gonna be able to walk through the house and show cabinets and stuff. So, but this is it. This is my workspace, guys. It's nothing big. It's nothing fancy. I told old Tom Rambler 69 he's going to have to get a HGTV TV show and get them to come follow him to come fix up wayward modelers like me, and with such small spaces, and organize and get us fixed up. That way we can have a place like his. If y'all ain't seen his video, man, he's got everything in place and looking good, boy. I tell you, that dude's talented in many ways. All right, guys, peace out.